Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video. In this video, I will discuss to how to fix Notes app not working or freezing or lagging and crashing on iPhone or iPad after new update iOS 17 beta. So do not waste any time. I will request of all subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for new latest video for notification, and go for video to discuss of issue. First of solution, you on iPhone or iPad fix this issue. So first of all, you check a new update, click on setting, and then click on general, and then click on software update, and your mobile is check the update, and you continue download and install on your iPhone, and your problem will be fixed. First solution is not working on iPhone. The second solution, the check notes app update. Then click on app store, and then click search, and then search bar notes, and you will get if any update on app store, you will get an update is not available. The update apps use an iPhone. Then second option is not working. Their third solution, content and privacy. So click on setting, and then click on screen time, and then click on content privacy. Is already turned off, and you should be turned off, and your problem will be fixed. If third solution is not working, is the last solution, uh, then open the setting again, and then click on general, and then click on transfer or reset, and then click a reset all setting, and give iPhone of password, and then your problem will be fixed 100%. Your mobile notes app is 100% working on your iPhone. Hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.